Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we are diving hand first into the enchanting world of autumn decor. Fall is all about warmth, comfort, and the delightful sights and scenes of the season, and we have got some fantastic ideas to help you infuse your home with that cozy autumnal charm. Transform your space from your living room to your kitchen. We will show you how to create a warm and inviting atmosphere in every corner of your home. Get ready to bring those fall vibes indoors. Die inspirations. No need to break the bank. We will walk you through some simple and budget friendly dye projects that will have your space looking like it's straight or out of a harvest fairy tale. Seasonal Ascent. Discount the magic of autumn through carefully chosen decor items. We will explore the best way to incorporate pumpkins, leaves, and rustic elements into your design. Cozy Lighting. Learn how to set the perfect mood with lighting. We will share tips on using candles, string lights, and lantern to create that warm and inviting ambience. Tablescapes and more. Fall is not just about decor, it is about gathering with loved one. We will also show you how to set a beautiful autumn table and create space of unforgettable moment. Join us on this journey as we immerse ourselves in the beauty of the season and transform our living space into cozy autumn inspired heavens. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share our YouTube channel link. Let's make this fall your most enchanting one yet.